everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of Facetory Luxe Plus Summer Box. So if you want to see what I got in this new summer box, please continue to watch. Okay, this is the box, and it came just like this inside a brown box. It came inside a brown box, and this was on top. It said just keep glowing. And it said Facetory. Okay, I'm gonna just let you know something about Facetory. Facetory has different subscription boxes, but they all revolve around the Korean skincare. They have 3 types of subscription. They have the Forever Fresh, which is 4 sheet masks for $8.90 a month. They have the 7 Luxe, which is 7 luxury sheet masks for $19.90 a month. And then they have the Luxe Plus, which is anywhere from 10 to 12 skincare products. And this is $49.95 a quarter. Open up the box and see what it's talking about. But anyway, with this card that was on top, it just tell you some steps you can take for each product, like when you're cleansing your face, prep your face, nutrition, moisturize and protect your face. It's just telling you different stuff. So for example, what to do. Okay, now I'm going to open the box. This is how it comes when you open it. Just keep glowing, my Facetory. Okay? You open it up. And this is what it looks like. Take this book and sample it out. And just let you see what's all what it looks like. This is a pamphlet, and in this pamphlet is telling you everything that's going on inside this box. The first thing I see inside this box is Ppyoung eye patches. You have 3 of them. And let me see what it says about that. This retails for $4. It said apply to eyes and remove after 10 to 20 minutes. Why we love it. Keep your eyes bright and hydrated with this cute heart shaped hydrogel eye patch. Okay. And you have 3 inside here. 3 masks, and it retails for $4. The next thing I see is Rose Blooming Mist. And this is what this looks like. Let me see what it smells like. Like rose too. Like the way that smells. Let's see what it says. Okay. This retails for $23. Stop and smell the roses with this rose flower mist. Spritz a bit and feel the hydration. Okay, $23. Next thing thing I see is a 3-in-1 vitamin power cleanser tea bags. 3-in-1. Let's see what is that. Okay, you have a total of 5 bags. And it says a 3-in-1 multifunctional cleansing tea bag that will leave your skin feeling smooth and clean. With citrus, peel powder, and Ppyoung, your skin will be brighter and well moisturized. Perfect for vacation. And this retails for $5. Got the 2-step jelly mask, firming, and radiance mask. Okay, 2-step jelly mask, firming, and radiance. This fun 2-step mask will provide your skin with the moisturizing, firming, and brightening results. Treat your skin to a little extra today. And this retails for $7. Next thing is this Aqua Brush Pearl Mask. This sheet mask will illuminate the skin, This sheet mask will illuminate the skin while providing hydration. And this retails for $4. Next thing I see the beautiful Factr Water Shield Barrier Mask. Another mask. It says, give your skin the love it deserves with this beautiful Factr Water Shield Barrier Mask. It created to help your skin stay moisturized and hydrated while delivering all the beneficial nutrients to help protect your skin. And this retails for $4. This is a calendar mask, a smoothing calendar mask, sheet mask that calms down irritated skin. So if you got irritated skin, this is something good you can use. And this retails for $4.50. The next thing I see is, how you pronounce it, Ischia Miracle Marine Collagen Magic Gel Serum Mask. A sheet mask that adheres to your skin as if the world is ending and you're the last glass of water. Okay, seriously thought, this mask is amazing for well hydrated and balanced skin. And this retails for $5. Intra Gold 24K Modeling Mask Pore. Okay. retails for $10. It's a moderate mask that will make you feel like $1,000,000. Alright. I need to feel like $1,000,000. Next thing we have is Multi-Lotion. It's a Pureforet Centella Multi-Lotion. A skin smoothing and healing moisturizing that will help clear up any blemish and give you bright and even skin. And this retails for $25. This is what it looks like. And it retails for $25. Two more products. The next thing I see is, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Aperture Frozen Pore Mask. This is a pore mask, frozen pore mask. It unclogs and tightens those pores with this wash off clay mask. An awesome skin saver during the hot winter. And this retails for $25. And this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it. Common Essence. This is a skin common essence that is like a comfortable hug for your skin. And this retails for $37. We all know skincare is expensive, but the Korean skincare, wow, it's too expensive. It really is expensive. Well, that's it in the box. That's all I see in this box. Like I said, they do have 3 types of subscription. One is the Forever Fresh, which is 4 sheet masks. Then we got the 7 Lux, which is 7 sheet masks. And then you got the Lux Plus, which is this one. And this is every quarter. Let me go over it one more time. Forever Fresh is 4 sheet masks for $8.90 a month. Then you got the 7 Lux, which is 7 luxury sheet masks for $19.90 a month. And then you get the Lux Plus, which is anywhere from 10 to 12 skincare products. And it is $49.95 a quarter. I will leave all the information, the website, and everything that was in this packet, in this box, in the bottom, in the description section of this video. So in the comment section, let me know if you all have this subscription or not, and what do you think about it, and if you're thinking about purchasing this subscription. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.